So let me start with this question. If you are the man or the sister
What
that
would make a
casted this
grown-up woman
spell
to be
in this
running
kind
like
of
this?
situation,
Probably
what are you going
time,
to do?
money, or
Let's
what
meet in the
or
comment
gift.
section.
Now, when a child is playing with snake as firewood, definitely the child has not gone through the pain of a venom. How will you imagine a sister that woke up to a nightmare, but it's also a reality, haunted by a ghost every minute? But it's not just an ordinary ghost, it is the ghost of her own sister. How could she have hit her sister on the head just because of a man? And she has gone to the extent of bewitching or casting spell upon this man, the husband of her sister, just to have him to himself. I wonder what kind of love or what kind of obsession is this? There is also Anua, the one that sells palm wine and gagai, but she will drink and sleep and snore until all the customers gone.